Bonjour. Alors, lisez ce texte, s'il vous plaît. Okay? Now, what do you think? Is this text in passé, présent, ou futur? Oui, c'est au passé. Okay, we have la semaine dernière, the indicator, the last week. Then, you know, this is passé composé, j'ai assisté. Avoir, then participe passé. Again, here, être and participe passé. Here also, avoir and participe passé. So, this is passé composé. So, the text is in past tense. Passé. Okay. Now, tell me from this text which lines indicate an action and which ones indicate a description. J'ai assisté à un concert avec mes amis. Is it an action or a description? It is an action to attend a concert. Okay. But it was spectacular. It is the description of the concert. It's not an action. L'ambiance était excellente. Again, it's the description of ambience. Il y avait beaucoup de monde. Is there any action happening? Is someone doing something? Is there any action that is taking place? No. Okay, no one is doing any action over here. It is a description. Then, nous nous sommes bien amusés. Okay, we enjoyed. We were doing that action. We were doing that action. So, nous nous sommes bien amusés. C'est une action. Nous avons chanté et dansé. Again, actions to sing and to dance. Il y avait aussi des feux d'artifice. Here, no one is doing any action again. There were firecrackers. So, it is again description. And c'était un concert inoubliable. Okay. So, again, the description of the concert. No action is happening over here. Okay. If you see, this has action and description. So the action is the main thing that is happening or main thing that someone is doing. And description is something that is optional. Okay. That you want to add. You are actually decorating the text with that description. Okay, if you say j'ai assisté à un concert avec mes amis, nous nous sommes bien amusés, nous avons chanté, dansé, it is clear what you are trying to say, right? What you did last week, that is clear. But I'm just decorating it or I'm adding description to it so that it makes more sense or it is better explained. Okay. So for action terminée, we used which tense? You know that already. Passé composé. But for description, it's not passé composé. If you're describing something in past, description au passé, then we use l'imparfait, not passé composé. Okay, we use l'imparfait. Okay. So, what is this tense, l'imparfait? It's another tense in past. Okay. So, for now, we'll just learn c'était and il y avait. Okay, the two common expressions used for description. The other verbs, the conjugation in imparfait, all that you learn in another video in the next level. For now, this is what you should know. We use c'était, okay? It is the past form of say, and il y avait, the past form of il y a. Okay? Say in past tense c'était, il y a in past tense, il y avait in imparfait. Okay, not passé composé, in imparfait. And it is used to describe. It is like it was and there was or there were. Okay? So when you're describing something, use these expressions. It is imperfect. Okay? You saw the examples over here, how you can write a paragraph using passé composé and imparfait. Okay? Take a situation that you have lived, you have seen, okay, and frame a paragraph. Yes? You'll learn more about it. We'll practice more in the class. Okay? C'est tout. Merci.